You wanted to see? You wanted to see Sky? Mimi! We're inside the airport for the very first time. Mimi tired.
Everybody's tired. I'm in the car for like 3 hours. What's up her head?
What's up, Periada?
What's up?
He went over there.
The elevator over there?
I guess. We're trying to find the way to go to our gate.
What? What's up her head?
Her hat. Oh, that's her new hat. Come on. Come on, Brandon.
Come on, friend.
That's everybody?
Come on.
Okay.
First one.
Wait.
2. I don't know. He's upstairs. Is it 2?
It's one. Hey. Kim it.
We had a baby. Right?
You had the baby.
Hi, Skylia. Baby. Oh, she like.
Get that bag.
Aaliyah, she was like this. You ready? Are you ready? Are you sleepy? Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face, Kimmy.
I think that's it, right?
You like Christmas presents? Little puff balls.
No, go back there, Kim it.
Okay, fine.
Kim it.
I'm gonna take you out.
Yeah? She crying? Can you go get Sky for me, Mimi?
Hey, I'm gonna call you back. I'm boarding the plane right now, okay? You're gonna text this to everybody. Yeah. Yeah, we're about to board the plane. I'm gonna call you. Come up. I'm doing security checks. I'm gonna call you right back.
See these guys going through the customs. You get your stuff? Go put them on.
Brittany, you're not helping. Can't do all this stuff.
Tired? Alright.
I'm tired. Yeah. I'm trying to rush.
She's got that big old coat. Kimmit. Let's go, Kimmit. Come on, let's go, Malay. Would you put your jacket on for me? So y'all excited to get on this plane?
Yep.
Yep. You excited? You ain't scared? All right.
I haven't been on the plane before. I don't know if it's awesome.
You haven't?
No.
You chilling?
No.
Yes, you are. Can y'all get the bag?
Can you get the bag for real? You sitting there like you ain't finna go nowhere.
Show myself first. Okay, Marvin.
You need to pay attention to what you're doing. We about to leave you.
That little shit is $20.
We still gotta get the train.
You gotta get on the train? Oh, just after this red side?
Mimi.
So when I get on the train on the night? Oh, okay. It's not that big of a pool. Okay, cool.
My phone is in the back.
I don't know where your phone at.
Mimi.
I got a phone. What's your mom's phone?
Here, let me see.
In your bag.
It's 2 zeros in my purse.
What you do with it?
Mom, it was in front of, it was in the car.
Huh?
It was in the car, knew it was somebody.
I don't know. I must have threw it in my bag. I don't know, but if you lost it, you lost it. Like I said, no.
You should have had it.
Why you have it on you?
Huh?
You should have had it on you.
It was up there by me. Is it on silent? Huh? Is it on silent? Maybe.
We can't go back. Oh, what's that? Come here. Your car.
Give me your card.
No, you gonna have me show mine.
We got my ticket.
Y'all ready?
Good enough.
Yeah, ready? Let's go. You got mine.
So the Harris family taking their vacation.
Come on, because
Somebody almost probably look like somebody already lost their phone.
too much security. Come on, y'all, let's go. 8:25, it's all the way at the end, you see?
Okay.
Oh, that's awesome. I like it. What kind of car is it? Which one? What color is your car? Is it blue? Ah, you remind me of my little boy. It's awesome. You guys have a safe trip. Where are you going?
You too.
I don't know if I'm gonna really want to do this again, seriously.
You don't want to do it again? It's too much?
Because, I mean, next time you be the leader.
She didn't mean to be the leader. I checked my bag in. I was smart.
I had to check mine in too. But I thought it was free. I would never pack no big bag if I know it wasn't free.
Nope. You wasn't free last time.
Yeah, it was because I had to carry my own. Come on, Timmy. You probably the very last one. The 8:25. See, look, let me walk on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, y'all. You got some walking to do. Come on, Brianna.
Hey, Sky.
Both of y'all, hurry up.
Hey,
Where are we going?
You ready to get on this plane? Do you know where you're going? Huh? Do you know where you're going? Huh? You don't know.
I want to get over here on GTA.
The Harris family taking a Christmas vacation.
Look, Freedom got her tank top on. You ready for that sun, ain't you?
Look at him. He's just rolling on the floor.
This one's not heavy.
What's wrong?
My arm hurts.
Huh?
My back hurts.
Your back hurt? Why? What's wrong with it? They put all the stuff on you?
Yes.
Now why they give you all the stuff?
I don't know.
That ain't even cool. They gave you all the bags.
Look at my car. And your car, you can ride it.
They gave Piranha all the bags. Look at Frick.
That right there.
Is you gonna make it, Piranha?
Huh?
You gonna make it?
No.
You want somebody to get some of the bags for you?
Yes.
Here, give me one. I'll take one. Yeah. You want me to get another one?
Yes.
That one on your back, is it real heavy?
Yes, it's hurting my back.
It hurting your back. So they need to slow down, don't they?
Yeah. That's a jewelry.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing, friend?
Well, we made it. We made it here, y'all.
Look at that painting.
We made it. And I think it's gonna be a wild experience. I want to get on the Escalade. Let's get it. Get on the escalator. Look at Piranha. Piranha's scared to get on that. She's scared. Hi, baby. See, Kimmy?
Well, I feel like I'm going faster than you. You look back. She had me thinking I was.
The hair is on the Escalade. Oh, look at that baby. Hey, baby. She don't know what the heck is going on. Her mama just got her dangling. Yeah. All right, here we go. We on our way to the plane. Look, ain't nobody worried. Everybody excited.
I think we need to talk to you right there. Right here? Yeah.
Yeah.
You see this car seat right by the door, right? Yeah, leave by the door. 10.
So we getting in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Mom should come home first.
You finna go bye-bye.
Wait, no,
How do you feel?
Good.
Feel good? Hey, little dude.
I just got no email.
Oh, yeah? You ready to go bye-bye? Huh? You ready to go bye-bye?
No.
You see it, Mimi?
It was connected with the phone charger message, so it should be.
As soon as you get here, you just lose some.
It was connected with the phone charger.
Well, I don't know. I mean, we're rushing out the car.
Freedom? You scared? You happy? You excited? You bored? She said she's bored, y'all.
Mama.
Open yours. Thank you.
Was it in there? Huh? So what you gonna do? You gonna figure something out?
You see my name? I did. What's your mine? Oh, it's mine. I don't got yours on. Oh, Marvin.
Oh.
Marvin? I'm Marvin too.
Here, Minnie.
Break.
Next time, don't be slipping.
Okay. She's so happy.
There are 4 emergency exits. Each door is
You got something to say?
evacuation spot.
Huh?
2 exits
What's
are
that
in front of the aircraft and 2 exits are in the back of the aircraft. All exits are please marked with red and white warning signs and illuminated.
Let's go.
Say hi. Hi. Kim is not happy. His ears popping properly. He was sound asleep. But Sky is happy. It's probably the ears in my ears. What's the matter, baby? Oh, hi. Say, I'm all right.
Oh my God.
Say, I'm all right. Leave him alone. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, Kim is not happy. He's on this plane making noise. He just wasted that water. A whole cup. He wanted some water. Baby Sky was like, what? I'm okay. So I don't need no water. I don't need no bottle. But I do need a diaper change. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. We descending. Yes, we are. Did you just make that noise? Huh? Yeah. We're almost done with our flight. And Kimbit and Janelle and Makayla is asleep. Baby Sky sleep too. With Papa. He up. Brianda is up. Trying to go back a little bit. Britta was knocked out. Look at her.